My name is Brandon Stefanson. I'm with Jani King of Savannah. My franchise name is Coastal Care Enterprises. I was already in the cleaning business, working with nursing homes and hospitals. So I was like, why not do this for myself?
From the beginning, Brandon has had a strong support not only with family but within the Jani King office in the region, and that by far has pleased me, because at home obviously I'm trying to support him, but to see that he has support in other places is extremely important.
What set Jani King apart from other companies was they secured accounts for me. I didn't have to go out and market my own business.
One of the biggest things that I love about him owning his own franchise is that we have something that we can pass down to our children. We're creating something like residual income. We all talk about wanting to create other opportunities for ourselves, but this has created the beginning for us for that, for our children, for an investment in our future.